Our next award is affectionately known as the Maggie Award. This award will be given to an individual or company that shows initiative and exceptional customer service in the precious metals industry. Just like the lady Cheryl Holt, who this award was named after. Cheryl was an amazing lady. She passed away also back in 2014. It will be named after a company or an individual that has shown quality of service, industry knowledge, and contribution to the community, as well as great communication. I've asked Cameron Alexander, who is with the Perth Mint, our major sponsor, who understands this industry a lot better than most, who was the one that said, that will oxidise if you take the plastic. I went, really? Who knew?
What do we want? Physical precious metal. When do we want it? Well, now, of course. Established in 2018, when a semi-retired commercial pilot turned beekeeper with a penchant for collectible coins realised his little country shop customers were increasingly asking him about this strange offshoot of the collectible coin genre, bullion. Can you get the bullion coins too, they would ask? Who would have thought that people this far away from the capital city would be interested in investing in gold and silver? Fast forward less than 4 years, and the country boy and his team have turned this peculiar side business into the country's fastest growing bullion retail business. With a dedication to education, the team have been putting themselves out there on YouTube, producing informative content and holding weekly live streams where the customer is able to get even their curliest questions answered. The Maggie Bullion Award recognises those who value customer service and education above everything else. It seeks out those who go the extra mile, or Troy kilometre, helping their customers along what can be a bewildering or confusing journey into wealth protection. This year's Maggie Award winner has cleared the pathway for so many in just a few short years. It is no surprise that this year's winner of the Maggie Bullion Award is, wait for it, Bullion Now.
Yeah, look, this is a bit of a shock actually. This is a real honour. I actually knew Maggie back in the day, so to get this, yeah, it's actually quite special. So it's great. Bullion Now, for those who don't know, we are very much a team, which is why Matt's up here as well with me. And our key focus, we need to make a profit at the end of the day, but there's not enough education out there for the average mud punter, and that's where we kind of target, and it's hoping more and more that's what we're bringing to the market. So it's great to see all the miners here and the refineries here and Perth Mints here and those types of things, and it's great to bring those areas that normal average investors don't get to see, and to bring it to light. So that's something we're aiming for. And to be recognised for it is just it's a real buzz for us. So yeah, thank you very much. And as we say, this is the financial advice.